You can even do it on electric motorcycle, guys. Don't need an Africa Twin or a GS. You can do it with Eve. Woo. Oh! Luckily I have the bash plate. Breakfast burger. Bon appetit. Oh. All good? All right. Guys, we're leaving this oasis. Yesterday the owner explained us how this water that comes from the ground is like super hot apparently.
Because it's very hot, maybe 100 degree or more.
Oh wow.
It's very hot.
And they have a little pool where they catch it and then it just cools it down. I didn't know that. Eve's fully charged. I charged her over there yesterday. It's pretty simple at campsites. They all have power somewhere. It's been very nice here. Yesterday we were just chilling.
Okay, your chair's stuck. What? How does it not balance itself?
I don't know.
Look. Like, who sits like this?
You look very comfy.
No. Cheers.
It was really cool. Been at the truck walk. It was very nice. And overall this whole camping experience is really nice. It's really relaxing, and I think we're gonna do it tonight again. Let's see if we can find a good campsite. But anyways, it's time for us to get moving again. We wanna make it to New Zealand one day, so we cannot stay in North Africa forever. But we absolutely enjoy it here. People are so friendly. Oh, the markets are open. I'm 100% charged, so we can actually make it quite far today. There's not going to be a fast charger anywhere. That is for sure. Guys, I can't believe it. Maree just stopped for gas, and look what I found. A charger. That hasn't been in the PlugShare app. Let's just see if it works.
Diners, easy to get.
Diners?
Yeah, diners.
Yeah. Look, there's a charger.
Yeah, I said, ooh, I walked down.
Yeah, but it doesn't work.
Oh, why?
It doesn't work. I don't know.
Should make a little note on the review page.
Yeah.
So some man's washing my car, even though I said no.
So yeah, the charger doesn't work or isn't on. Maybe they switch it on if you ask them, but so cool that it's here. Yeah, just had a chat with the owner, and it does work. They turn it on once it's needed. That is so cool. I don't need to charge. Have a good day. Yeah, it's like I told you guys, Total Energies, they want to upgrade the chargers. It's amazing. It's really, really cool. Also, very happy to report that my rear tire is holding the air pressure very good. Perfect. Wow, they're so huge and funny looking. Hello. And they don't give a damn. They're so cool, right? Yeah.
For like, what's that cost for a bus?
Yeah.
Cool, right?
So we're going now to Mides, and this road here is super cool. Goes right up into the mountains. And it's so much fun, really. I mean, look at that view, guys. Look at that view. Wow. Fun. And the asphalt is like new, brand new. Very good tarmac. Ah, okay.
Das ist versteckt.
Ah ja, wir finden schon.
Ah?
Alles gut, danke, danke.
Hast du ein Motorrad und ein Auto und du hast nicht Geld zu einem Führer zu nehmen?
Ja, wir wollten alleine.
Ah, allein ist versteckt.
Ja,
Du musst nach Mides fahren und dann nach Göpsa.
okay, okay,
Mides.
okay. Cool, danke. Man, it is so cool riding here. But as you see, like, you stop somewhere and somebody pulls out on a moped and wants to show you the attractions and everything, and of course for money, and it is okay. I mean, it's cool, but I mean, we just prefer to go by ourselves. Alright, we're entering now the Oasis de Mides. Wow, cool.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Ça va?
Can we not go with the girl?
This park here.
Okay, and then we have to walk, or? Yeah.
Local guide.
Yeah.
Like half hour roll.
And we cannot just go have a look ourselves to the canyon?
Yeah, can you maybe
Yeah.
25 minutes
Yeah.
for 20 dinars, 6 euro.
Yeah, it's okay, but we wanted to. Okay, I guess it's just everywhere with
Electric.
electric, yeah?
Nice.
Yeah?
How many kilometers? Now?
220? 220?
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay. Dit is our knochen.
Ah,
Dat is our
okay.
bone.
Okay.
Das ist Malta Glimmer auf Deutsch. Sehr Deutsch oder?
Deutsch
Und
English.
Ah. Malta auf Englisch, Glimmer auf German. Glass.
Glass, glimmer glass. Cool.
Guck mal, bitte.
Mhm.
Da, von Berg.
Yeah.
Gibt es wie zwei Augen oder zwei Herz von Berg.
Ah,
Form.
yeah.
Und eine Nase.
Yeah,
Irgendwo.
yeah.
Das ist die Eulerform.
Yeah.
Form of the owl.
Ah,
So
yeah,
eyes
it
on
looks
the
like
nose.
an owl, yeah.
I just like that last one.
Yeah, this guy is way better, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Not so pushy, and it's probably cooler here.
Good coffee.
If we would have gone with the other guy,
We wouldn't have come here.
we probably wouldn't have come here.
Big movies in 1996 with Juliette Binoche and Kristen Scott. 9 Oscar.
Here?
Yeah, and 10% for Star Wars.
Here.
Yeah, the Arwell Rally.
Ah, okay.
And for second movie, that's the French movie with Gerard Depardieu, Sylvie Marceau, and Quentin Deneuve in 1982.
All right. Alright guys, we're going now on the road called Rue de Rommel. A little bit of off-roading. Are you cool? Put in the 4x4. Okay, what a cool track. What a cool road, guys. I believe it's very famous for motorcyclists to ride this road. And Maree is doing very good with her Jimny. We put it into 4x4. Awesome. Oh. Oh. Luckily I have the bash plate. Very good. Hello. Wow, look at that view, guys. Look at that view. Wow. So cool. So awesome. Look at that, guys. Look at that. And the coolest thing is downhill, I'm actually making energy again. So my range will go up, which is good. Wow, so cool, guys, so cool. You can even do it on an electric motorcycle, guys. Don't need an Africa Twin or a GS. You can do it with Eve. That is really an amazing route. So worth it. We didn't really manage to eat something other than the cafe and the little cake. So that's why Maree is not enjoying it as much as I do, because she's pretty hungry. But man, is that awesome. Wow. Okay, it becomes a bit rougher here. So glad the Jimny is 4x4. Yeah, very good. Yeah. Go Jimmy. Oh. Come on, Eve. We can do it. Yeah. No problem. No problem. Whew. Nice. Almost. Ooh, it's some deep sand here. Go Jimmy. Go Eve. Yes. 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 Whew. Yo. Awesome. Alright guys, back on the normal road. Off to the campsite. Oh, that was great.
How many horsepower?
Huh?
How many horsepower?
112.
Not very.
112?
Not very. It's not. You wanna race me?
It's 0 to 100, 3 seconds.
No.
It's
No competition.
and
من صفر ل 300 من صفر ل 100 3 ثواني.
من 0 ل 3 ثواني.
No competition.
Top speed 200.
Top speed 85.
New is very expensive. I bought it second hand.
Well, second hand.
Second hand. Yeah,
Model 20 what?
2019.
Oh.
Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna plug in Eve here. That's very cool. There's the power socket. But before I do that, I'm gonna set up the camp. We're gonna set up camp there under the tree. It's alright. The campsite is alright. They don't have showers, so we'll probably stay just one night here. But that's fine. Let's set up the camp first. These LED lights are very, very cool. They help a lot right now. Yes. And we're charging. Perfect. Couldn't ask for more today. What a day. Alright guys, I have to do some serious editing tonight. What a day. Maree's already sleeping. So we're gonna leave here tomorrow, and there's no plan yet on where we're gonna go. We'll figure it out. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.